मेरा ग्रीन टी रेडी है और इधर मेरा टाइम टेबल है जिसमें कि मैं देखने का ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि कब क्या करना है। मैंने सुबह का काफ़ी घंटा तो वेस्ट कर दिया यूं ही, मतलब सोच सोच के कि मुझे करना है, बट मैं कुछ कर नहीं रही थी। मेरे को अलग ही आलसीपन छा गया है। Yesterday on my Instagram story, I put a question asking you guys to drop in some questions regarding me, my life, my work, and my YouTube channel. Well, YouTube channel is kind of my work only right now, but anyway, I asked you to ask me questions regarding that. I got some pretty good questions from you guys. Thank you so much. There are very few in numbers, but at least I am getting questions, so that's a good start, I guess. I thought no one would drop in any questions and this video won't exist, but we are here and there are questions from people, and I'm happy. So there are, I think, total 8 questions that I will be answering, and I will be answering them throughout this video while I'm showing you a day in my life. Well, that's a day in my life. Let's go with the first question right now. So the first question that I will be answering is how is everything day? অনেকদিন তোমার সাথে আর কথা হয়নি with a smiley. So this question is from a junior, and I won't name anyone because I know some people do not like to be named, and for their own reasons, so I don't want to cross that boundary, that limit. So this will be anonymous for you all. Well, coming to the answer, thanks for asking first of all. Well, I'm doing fine actually. Though everything is quite hectic and busy, I have like my dissertation paper, which is very important, and I haven't started. I have only written the abstract. That was one of the assignments. So why am I discussing it? You don't know. So yeah, and you also don't even care about my assignment. So whatever. Let's not talk about that. But yeah, assignment is one of the problems in my life right now. And other than that, what else? I guess I'm doing great. Other than that, I'm doing great. So that was the answer for your question. Thank you for checking up on me. That was really sweet of you to ask. And I also hope you are doing fine. Also your family members, I mean all of you, whoever is watching this, I really hope you all are doing well mentally and physically, and I hope your family is safe and sound. So come, let's go ahead with the rest of the routine. While everyone is studying, I'm doing this. And this is me right now. ये वोट वाला इंक हटता क्यों नहीं है? इतना इरिटेटिंग है. It was heavily raining just a moment ago, and now it is pretty quiet. Honestly, even though rainy season is not really my season, it's not one of my favorites. It feels very, very chip, and the floor is like always dirty. No matter how many times I wash my feet, it is always like something is sticking on my feet, and it's very uncomfortable. Still, my favorite activity is to sit in front of this window and enjoy the scenery as well as the splash. I love to feel the baris ki cheete that comes in through my window. I just love that feeling. It is so cold, cozy, and also the wind is so soothing. I just love it. And also, if with that I can have some coffee, it's like sone pe suhaga. It's a bonus. Today mummy made it, and it is so like foamy. It feels so good. मैंने बारिश के इतने मज़े ले लिए कि पूरा बेड भीग गया है, मेरा नोट्स भीग गया है, मेरा डायरी भीग गया है. साथ में इधर एक्सटेंशन कॉर्ड रखा था वो भी भीग गया। माई कॉपी इज़ गेटिंग वेट बट आई एम अनबॉदर्ड बिकॉज आई लव इट। और ये कितने दिनों से बस ये बिस्किट खाई जा रही है, पता नहीं कितना लाया गया है, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं चलता कि घर में क्या लाया जाता है क्या नहीं। ये खाती है तब मुझे दिखाई देता है, फिर मैं इससे जाके मांगती हूँ। मैं भी कम भिखारी नहीं हूँ। ये भी वैसे ही है, मैं खाऊंगी तभी इसको भूख लगता है, उससे पहले नहीं लगता है। मेरा लैंग्वेज माइंड नहीं कीजिएगा बिकॉज आई एम मल्टीलिंगुअल एंड इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड टू गो ऑन विथ जस्ट वन लैंग्वेज। तो मैं कंफर्टेबली अचानक से इंग्लिश स्टार्ट कर दूँगी, अचानक से कभी हिंदी स्टार्ट करूँगी, और हिंदी में भी कभी कभी मैं शुद्ध हिंदी का वर्ड्स यूज़ करती हूँ, और कभी कभी मैं अपना मदर टंग बोल लेती हूँ। स्पेशली जब मुझे चोट लगता है या कुछ, तो सबसे पहले मेरा मदर टंग ही निकलेगा। और हाँ, हम लोग में मम्मी को आयो या फिर यू कहते हैं, तो जब चोट लगता है तो आपका ऑटोमेटिकली आपका मदर टंग निकलता है मोस्ट केसेस में। आई गेस सबके साथ ऐसा होता है, आई डोंट नो, बट मेरा ऐसा होता है कि इसीलिए आयु गो ऐसे एकदम फील में निकलता है मदर टंग। 3:30 से एक दूसरा क्लास है, इसलिए मैं अभी तेल लगवा ले रही हूँ, फिर नहाने जाऊँगी बाद में, क्लास के बाद जाऊँगी, तब तक तेल ऐसे लगा रहेगा। तो मैं सोच रही हूँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अभी ही कर लेती हूँ। एक और क्वेश्चन आया था इंस्टाग्राम पे, मम्मी इंस्टाग्राम में একটা আমি দিয়েছিলাম যে কোনো কোশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারে আমাকে, তো একজন ডেটিং লাইফ জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল, তা আমার তো কেউ নেই, তো তুমি এটা অ্যান্সার করো, তুমি কি ভাবো ওটা নিয়ে? ডেটিং লাইফ, হ্যাঁ, মানে ডেট করা, তারপরে গার্লফ্রেন্ড বয়ফ্রেন্ড হওয়া, লাভ ম্যারেজ, ওটা নিয়ে কী ভাবো বলো? হ্যাঁ,
এটা একটা এজ আছে, ওই এজটা এলে ওই এজের সময় হলে ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু তার আগে পড়াশোনাটা আগে রাখতে হবে। এগুলো সব হয়ে গেলে তারপরে তোমরা ভাবতে
অনেকে বলে এটা ভালো না,
না ভালো না সেটা বলবো না, এটাও একটা অনুভূতি, এটাও এক রকমের, কিন্তু তখনই করা দরকার তোমার মনে হবে
বোঝ ক্ষমতা এসছে,
হ্যাঁ নিজের মতন ক্ষমতা তোমার এসছে। একটা যে সেখানে কিছু জানে না তাকে যদি স্টিয়ারিং দিয়ে দাও গাড়ির, তার কি অবস্থা হবে?
হ্যাঁ,
এটাও হচ্ছে সেরকম। আর ছেলেটা ভালো, দেখতে ভালো, চলে গেলাম, তাহলে দেখে শুনে সারা জীবনের জন্য ওই যে আগে মুদির দোকান থেকে কিনে নিয়ে এলাম, এই পচা বেরিয়েছে, পাল্টা গেলাম, ওটা হবে না।
That was an interesting answer. खैर अभी बस हो गया 1 सेकंड से ज़्यादा हो गया। मेरा सुबह 11 to 12 एक क्लास था, और बीच में 1:30 to 2:30 एक क्लास था जो कि कैंसिल हो गया, और फिर बाद में अभी 3:30 से पूरा आई थिंक 2 घंटे का क्लास है। तो तब तक मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं साफ़ सफाई थोड़ा रूम का कर लेती हूँ, उसके बाद तो ऐसे भी नहाना है क्लास के बाद, हटाओ ना, तो मैं वही करूँगी। मैंने बहुत दिन से सफाई नहीं किया है, मैंने सफाई कर लिया है, बट जैसे मैं एकदम डेकोरेट करके रखती हूँ वो चीज़ मैंने नहीं किया है, उसके लिए मुझे काफ़ी एनर्जी चाहिए होता है। तो अभी बस रूम ऐसे ही, हाँ, इसने होममेड ये क्या बनाया है, फ़ोन चार्म, जो कि आपके फ़ोन के वो कॉर्नर में जैसे कुछ लगा सकते हैं डेकोरेशन के लिए, अच्छा ही दिखता है। और इसने मेरा ये बनाया है मेरे थ्रेड्स को चोरी करके, जो कि मेरे एम्ब्रॉयडरी के लिए है। ओ बाय द वे, एम्ब्रॉयडरी मैं काफ़ी टाइम से नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरा बैक बहुत ज़्यादा पेन करता है, तो इसलिए मैं उसको अवॉइड कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि वो बहुत लंबे टाइम तक बैठ के करना पड़ेगा कंसंट्रेशन के साथ। ये मेरा टेबल है जो कि वो भी गंदा हो रखा है, मैंने बहुत सारा सामान निकाल के रखा है। जब मेरे दिमाग में बहुत कुछ एक साथ चल रहा होता है ना कि ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, तब यही हालत होता है। नॉट व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग वू, This is harassment. Go. Go. This smells like bubble gum and it is so delicious. मैं क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाई, अभी 3:40 हो गया क्योंकि हम लोग का वाईफाई चला गया। जब भी बारिश होता है आजकल वो लोग वहीं से डिस्कनेक्ट कर दे रहे, जिस वजह से मेरा भी काम नहीं हो पाया। और इधर ये भी अभी तक हमने लगाया नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग बेडशीट हटा के झाड़ू मार के टायर्ड हो गए। इतने में ही खुश हो गए हम लोग। हाँ, हम लोग बेडशीट चूज नहीं कर पा रहे कौन सा लगाना है। छोटा भीम है वो बेडशीट, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद। ऐसा लगता है जैसे आग लगा हुआ है, इतना येलो और ऑरेंज है उसमें, ऐसा लग रहा है पीछे आग जल रहा है मेरे। सही में उसके ऊपर सोने से ही मेरे को अजीब अजीब लगने लगता है। कभी होगा तो मैं वो बेडशीट दिखाऊंगी आप लोग को। बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद। थोड़ा देर रेस्ट लेंगे अभी, उसके बाद हम लोग फिर काम करेंगे क्योंकि क्लास तो मेरा ज्वाइन होने से रहा, वहाँ से कनेक्ट वो लोग कर नहीं रहे हैं। और ये 2 घंटे का क्लास था जो कि मैंने मिस कर दिया। नाइस नाइस। ओ बाय द वे, तब तक हम लोग एक Q&A का आंसर भी दे सकते हैं आई गेस। तो दो क्वेश्चंस हो चुका है, तीसरा क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। हाँ, तो ये क्वेश्चन है, थॉट ऑफ हैविंग एन अंडरकट स्टाइल। No, I have complete planning of having a long hair now. Not long immediately, but of course till this length. My next target is this length. I have seen many styles.
Makeup 5 minutes या तो हाँ
Thank
ना कहता
5 मिनट, 5 मिनट, पक्का 5 मिनट। All the work is done and now I will take bath and then become a new person. The most favorite and only place for photo shoots, our terrace. I really love this place. It's really beautiful. I mean, the clouds, the buildings make a really great background, and also these plants. I think this looks cute.
আমার থেকে বের
I know I'm too old for these styles, but I just like how it.
everyone is a kid. No one is
Yeah,
an
there's
adult.
kid inside everyone. My face is again getting fluffy because I haven't been working out. I'm eating everything that I can get my hands on. Yes, I'm not controlling myself. Like, what's the use of all that if I'm not happy on the inside? So yeah, my loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Comment down below if she's saying good. Comment down below if she sings good.
We are leaving for the market to get some groceries, especially rice.
দুটো পাপ डस्टबिन থেকে সরা
কথা বলো
दू कई लेके चलो लेके आए तो सब जगह में रख रहे हैं अभी आस्ते आस्ते आस्ते
আমি না নড়ার চেষ্টা করছি
मार्केट से आके 10 मिनट लगभग हो गया है। अभी हम लोग सब जगह पे रख रहे हैं जहाँ जिसको जाना है, और फिर बू जाएगी पढ़ने के लिए और मैं जाऊँगी एडिटिंग करने के लिए। Since I have returned from the market and unloaded all this stuff, all I am doing is transferring files from my phone to my laptop and to my hard disk. Because today I got notification just in the middle of my vlog that there's no more space, you have reached the limit, and so I had to like hurry to my home and just transfer everything so that I can continue with the vlog. But it's already like 9:13 or 15 around, and it was supposed to be our movie night, but because of this work it is getting delayed. The second last thing I do at night is watch TV with my sister. There's a series on Amazon. Its name is Girls World. I hope it will be finished like after 20 or 30 minutes now, because I really cannot carry on like this. I'm frustrated and tired as well, and I really need to watch TV and have something to eat. Let's get back to the work.
On Monday, 1 month ago. All shorties. This weekend, we're eating, reading, sleeping, dreaming, napping, hot to. So, this weekend, I suggest that you do something that is totally, completely unrelated to dance. Because as far as I'm concerned, this is the last chance we get to relax before the judge's final call. Well, only 2 big islands, lunch on the beach, volleyball and snorkeling in the Arctic, I'm putting up. Sounds great. And we're going in that. Hey, all might not look much. Still team? I think I'm best friends, please.
It's a good night for us because today there is not going to be any game. We are all very busy with our own schedules, especially me. I was the one because of whom the game was cancelled. I was pretty busy with this vlog. Now that the game is cancelled, me and my sister are going to listen to some podcast. There are some short stories that I selected for her to listen every night before sleep, and we are going to listen to that, and then we are just going to sleep, I guess. But before that, I thought, why not answer the rest of the questions as promised. I'm going to finish them quickly right now. So the fourth question is, are you planning for a tattoo? Can you please share some ideas? Well, no, I'm not planning for any tattoos because I read that it has high risk of diseases, and along with that, I read that you cannot donate blood if you have tattoos. That is the knowledge I have from somewhere, I don't remember. But after having that knowledge, I don't think I can do it, because I really don't want to be the person who cannot help when there's an emergency. So I guess I will wait for some years before I get a tattoo. And about the suggestion, I would say that I don't really have any idea about tattoo. I don't know how it feels or what kind of designs are good. But yeah, there will be one suggestion from me, is that it's going to be on your skin and quite permanent, even if there is a new technology of removing it. Still, I feel that it needs to be something special, close to your heart, meaningful to you, and don't go after just trendy designs, because if it is meaningless when you look at it, it's quite a waste. That's just my idea of tattoo. The next one is,
So there are two questions actually which are quite similar to each other, and in one answer I can wrap both of them. So that is, when did the sorry no, this is not this one. How is your 2021 different from 2020? And the next one is, what new things you did in 2021? Well, I'm going to wrap this up in one answer. They are drastically different from each other. Like 2020 is purely a trial and error period, and 2021 is more of a, execution. Yes, 2021 is all about executing all my ideas, all my plans and everything. Well, a lot of new things happened in my life which I wasn't aware of. I was learning about it throughout the year, about my body, about how my behavior works, what triggers me, what makes me feel a certain way. You need to really understand yourself to actually work on yourself. So that is how my 2020 went. I learned about my disease and my body, and how and when it reacts, and how to cope with that. And in 2021 I'm actually coping with it, along with continuing my regular work. I'm still facing problems, but now that I know myself much better, I know just how to do the things in ways so that I'm not totally drained or totally devastated, and again into a loop of breaks after breaks, which actually results in my loss of interest, and as well as it affects my productivity and my final result of my work. So it used to affect earlier, but now it doesn't do that. I don't let it happen. There are other two questions which are again quite similar to each other, so I'm again going to wrap them up in one answer. The question is, when did the thought of making YouTube videos came in your mind? And the second is, when did you come up with the thought of being a YouTube creator? How your parents responded to it? Well, I was always the performer kind of person. I always wanted to be in front of the camera and perform, whether as an actress, whether as a dancer, or as a sports person. I always wanted to be in front of the camera, the whole world watching me. So I was always like that. The idea of being a YouTuber was in my mind since my childhood, or say during my teenage years, because I had a computer at home and with a stable connection. So I was like one of those kids who had early exposure to these stuff, and I was always drawn towards the entertainment world. So the most of the YouTubers that I used to subscribe to was the dancers, and I also wanted to have my own team performing in front of the camera, and everyone would give me likes and comments like how good I am, but that none of that happened. I have my channel since 2014. Now coming to the parents part, well, they are not against it. They want me to be successful, but also the fact is that this social media and the entertainment line is not very stable. It is ever changing, and it takes a long time to be in a position where you can earn from it and make it a career. So because of that, they want me to have something stable for now, and also along with that work on it. If I really desire it, I will make a way out of it. So they're not completely against it. So that's my YouTube story. I know most of you thought that I am a recent YouTuber, but actually I'm the oldest one among all the people I know, and this dream was a really old one, and I don't know if I'm going to be successful or not, but I'm going to give my best to it. So that's all the questions that I got. I hope I was able to answer them well so that you could understand, or I don't know, I just tried. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog of a day in my life. I really enjoyed recording it throughout the day. Now I will go sleep. My sister is also very sleepy and grumpy and angry at me. Now I will wrap it all up we are finished, we are done, and it's going to be a good night. Bye, see you in the next video. Say bye. Sorry. Also, don't forget to stay hydrated, drink a lot of water. So stay well. Good night. Bye.